Today I'm doing another jump part video. This is called Shotgun. For the normal jump part video, if you want to watch that video, you'll know here's a bullet. So we're gonna review him by using parts I already have. First, using this body. There we go. Also, the real arm will be take off. It's actually a satellite. So if you have jump part proof and character, he will be a good character. First, put a satellite on him. As you see here, this is phase 1. Doesn't have a head due to the sentence effects. Second 2. And yeah, he's like, I don't have arms due to his wheel is a same wheel, but has the same truss as the first jump part, 25, but his difference, his continuity isn't the same you spotted. He's popular and think, shotgun to look like this. Yeah, shotgun looks like this character. But why he calls him shotgun? Well, his other arm is a gun. Weapon. See that cannon? That's a piston. But it upgraded to a shotgun years ago. Enemy. No enemy sound. Alright guys, I'm shotgun. Then you mind the brother is number 5 for 25. Bye bye. I see you guys later.